Basically, on my last meters home, after like 30 something hours awake, I have to realize I'm getting old. That's one part. But on the other, I'm really blessed by the people around me right now. I had a wonderful conversation last night or this morning with Markian, which was really enlightening to me. And one of my workers told me today that, she basically admitted what would be the topic that sometimes she's still struggling with feedback, like being some disconnection with her with talking about emotions, which I have talked about some other times in my other videos. And it's really nice to see that people open up if you give them time, because not everyone is moving at the same speed. I even can say that for myself. Sometimes I'm slow, sometimes I'm fast, sometimes it feels like I'm not moving at all. But many things go into the right place by given time to them. And for me, I'm really, really happy today. It's been an exhausting, long one, but an exciting one with great results in the restaurants, great results from the teams, great conversations, which at the end makes my job really a joy for me, and I hope as well for my workers, so that at least that's the feedback I'm getting. So I hope you also had a great day, hopefully not as long as mine. And if you like this video, have a look at my other videos at the end of this one, and consider subscribing to hear more of my everyday stories on the trains and at my work. Have a good one. Thank you.